Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Ash's Fashion Journey. I hope you're all doing well. Today, we are officially beginning our fashion illustration and design course with our very first lesson, Introduction to Fashion Design. Before we start learning about silhouettes, fabrics, color theory, and garment illustration, it's important to understand one simple question: what is fashion? Many people think fashion is simply about wearing expensive clothes or following trends. However, fashion is much more than that. Fashion is a creative way of expressing ideas, personality, culture, and emotions through clothing, colors, fabrics, and design. Every garment tells a story, and every designer has a unique way of telling that story. Now, let's understand another important term. What is fashion design? Fashion design is the process of planning and creating clothing and accessories. It combines creativity with knowledge of fabrics, colors, silhouettes, and design principles to transform an idea into a beautiful garment. A fashion designer doesn't simply draw clothes. A designer observes people, studies cultures, understands colors and fabrics, explores different silhouettes, and then creates designs that are both functional and visually appealing. It is also important to understand what we will and will not learn in this course. Our focus will be on fashion illustration and garment design. We will learn how to think like designers, understand fashion concepts, create original clothing designs, and improve our illustration skills. This course will not focus on sewing, tailoring, or pattern making. Instead, we will build a strong foundation in design and illustration, which are essential skills for every fashion illustrator. Throughout this journey, we'll explore professional topics such as silhouettes, fabrics and textiles, color theory, elements and principles of design, fashion vocabulary, garment illustration, fabric rendering, fashion details, technical flats, and portfolio development. Don't worry if some of these words sound new to you. We will learn each topic step by step. And by the end of this course, you'll have a strong understanding of fashion illustration fundamentals. Before we end today's lesson, I'd like to give you a small assignment. Take a look around you. Observe the clothes you're wearing or the garments in your wardrobe. Ask yourself these questions: what colors do I see? What type of fabric does this garment use? What is its silhouette? What makes this garment unique? Remember, every great fashion designer starts by observing the world around them. Thank you so much for joining me in our very first lesson. In our next class, we'll begin learning about silhouettes, one of the most important foundations of fashion design. Until then, keep observing, keep learning, and keep creating. I'll see you in the next lesson.